Everyone, and welcome back to Clara's Creation. Myself, the creator of Clara's Creation. Clara Rodriguez, lead kind of like a motto, star is a symbol. Today I'm going to teach Worth of Fabric lesson, a unit from Standard 6th. You can see a piece of cloth. The meaning of the lesson, Worth of Fabric, we are learning something about fabric, that means cloth, clothes. The very first step when you start with a lesson is students read the lesson by yourself once, twice, thrice. Significance or importance to reading. Highlight the difficult words, that is the dictation words, so that you can get hold on your spellings. Write 25 dictation words in your notebook after each new lesson that you study. Meanings here I have mentioned. Give meanings or collocation. First word, ball pod, ball, that is a pod at a cotton plant. Now give meanings can be asked as a master column under collocation question. I will be providing a description in the description box, a link to make you understand what is collocation. So I repeat, the first question is give meanings. You should keep a dictionary handy with you. Here I have provided you the meanings, but actually you are supposed to find out difficult words using a dictionary. Ball, that is a pod at a cotton plant. I repeat, I'm sorry. Ball, a pod at a cotton plant. So this could be asked as a master column, where word ball will be the A column and pod at a cotton plant can be the B column. And for lower classes, collocation can be asked in a form of master column. Spinning, process of making yarn or thread out of cotton wool. Okay, so this is second meaning. Third is carded. Clean and combed cotton to remove the seeds. You clean the cotton and remove the seeds from that. Means carded. Idleness, laziness. Spun, drew out and twisted cotton to make yarn or thread. So this is basically the meaning of the chapter. And as I said, it can be asked in a collocation form. This is your first type of vocabulary based question under your scene comprehension. But the only condition is this word should be there in your passage for you to answer as a collocation question. If these words are in your passage, for that reason, through rote learning, you can at least learn this. Next vocabulary based question is an antonym. You can choose figure of your own choice, any shape of your own choice, like I've used your circle and I've highlighted in different colors. Politely, the antonym of politely is rudely. Calmly, its antonym is angrily. What are antonyms? They are opposite words and again they are vocabulary based questions. Softly, hardly, carefully, carelessly. The second condition over here again is these words should be there in your text or the passage that is provided to you when you are doing it from the examination point of view. It cannot be out of the text. Third antonym based question, collocation based question, find the adverbs. Now you have a list question behind your text where you have to find the adverbs related to the lesson. Lived ago, loved greatly, have today, answered politely, worked hard, went calmly, spoken softly, decided then and there, died carefully. Now again this can be asked as a collocation question. If it is there in your textbook from your passage, you have to choose the correct word against the question word. For example, your question is love and in the passage the word is greatly. So you should be able to find out and write by yourself loved greatly. For example, the passage that is there in front of you, you have a word answered and you should find out the word politely adjacent to it and write it out. Now classify the following words into positive and negative words. This also could be used as a vocabulary based question because you only have to write one word. And here is a table provided to you from your lesson. There are few positive qualities and negative qualities mentioned. And based on that, I have written these words: great, arrogant, beautiful, impatient, quiet, worthless. I'll read it out quickly. Happy, thoughtless, answered, hasty, offered, shouted at. Smile, wasted, grew, destroyed, died, proud. Thank you for listening. I hope you found it useful. To understand what is collocation, which I'm going on repeating again and again, I'll be sharing the link in the description box. Do click on the link to understand the entire definition of collocation, which is meant to be a vocabulary based question and a very important question from the point of view of your examination, and very scoring question. Trust me, you found the information useful. Like, share, and subscribe. Stay connected for more such informative videos.